Alrighty, what's up? It was day 2 on the new kayak, and I forgot to do an intro again, but I hope you guys enjoy the video. Alrighty, what up? We're back at today's the next day, the 17th. We are getting some lights, so. I got one. Yes! I got one, finally. I did it, guys. Alrighty. That's the first one. That's the first one in the morning. I didn't take a photo on my phone, but crazy to me that fish got it right on the draw. Weeds on it, so I'm feeling. Okay. No, it picked and I threw it back. Loving the new rig though. Different game for me, so that's my first fish on it. Like my net. Nice thing to have. Had a nice little bite right there. Probably just cruises shoreline. I gotta be out of here by 12:30, 10:27, so I got 2 more hours, so I'll probably spread my last catch right here. I will say, if you plan on buying a kayak, get an anchor. It's gonna be a paddle kayak here. That's probably one of the best things I have on. A net's really not necessary. I have one, just in case, you know, because I'm catching giants all the time. Just kidding. That was a 0.57. So nothing really great. Nothing really bad. Good. I mean, I'm really good at throwing wacky rigs, top waters. That's kind of what I throw. Some people like that lives in the lake that are around me. I can just tell you there's fish, and I know what fish. So. Might throw a frog in here. It's really weedy. Not really a good time. Weedy and it's shaded. Maybe backlash. Oh no. I'll set my brakes. This is what I was using, that's what I just caught that fish on. So, just so you know, even though there's not a lot of people that watch my videos, that's okay. It's probably for better, in my opinion. I am going to be fighting the weeds the whole time through here. I hit a bank fish on here a lot too, so I won't anymore. No, I have a kayak. I'll be a no bank fisherman. So fishing from here, I've realized, is way better. It's annoying because I bet you there was at least a 2-pounder over there when I started the videos. Hopefully that's a whole family. Something right there. No, go ahead. Yeah. Switch. I am a swivel guy. A lot of people aren't. I like swivels. The camera might not even pick it up. I don't use them. Actually, I do at one time, right? I usually don't use them for my spinning rig. I do use it for my bait caster. I'm just tying on lures, and I've caught a lot of fish. Well, not that many, but a decent amount. So, okay. You know, it would be absolutely fantastic if you would like a... There we go. I've caught a decent amount of fish on swivels. I don't think, in my opinion, they affect the fish to bite it at all. Except trout. Trout, I will say. But if you're bass fishing, no. Not at all. There's a lot of bait up there. I did get a free bait today. I don't really know what it is. Some type of booyah spinner. But if I find some kid fish, I'll give it to him. I don't really want it. I don't need it. Doesn't serve a purpose. Let's try to sneakily kid my way in here without scaring the full fruit away. Better just move. This is all I'm gonna catch here. I wish I could find a kid. Oh no. I don't wanna do that. I don't know what that is up there, but whatever it is, jump around like maniacs. Alrighty, a little context before I go back to the video. I went back to where I started the video because I saw a fish up there, and I thought if I caught the one before that I could use the same thing and try again because I was getting bites with it up there. So I went back and there were people on the bank, so I didn't have my GoPro really recording because I was right next to them, and I started to drift into their lines. So that's why I'm really not talking much, because I am trying to figure out how to place my anchor without drifting while also dealing with fish. Yeah. Caught him on ice. Alrighty, last time that I'm gonna cut into the video, which is 3 times this time, but I didn't do an outro because I had to leave, and the people that I was drifting into was 2 kids and a dad. So they seemed like they didn't really know what they were doing. So I went up and I don't know, and earlier in the video I said that I found that lure, and then I also had 2 others that I found a while back on the bank. So I decided to go up and give it to them and kind of show them where to go and where to fish. So that's why there's no outro, but I did figure out that they were new to fishing, so it was kind of cool because I got to help them out. And I don't know if they caught anything because I had to leave, but I hope they did.